Hello everyone. This is a really quick tutorial to go over the PlaneLists Data Formatter. This is a formatter that you will use to take PlaneList data, some FAA raw data that we'll deliver to you, and to get it into a nice clean format that you can export to a CSV file. And that CSV file can be used in a lot of places, especially if you're looking to create like Avery labels or to upload the data into a system like our PlaneLists postcard creator. And so let me show you how you would take some data like you see here. Now the data you see here is just fake data, but the concept is still the same. So you'll get data, and that data will typically be first name, middle name, like here, last name, street address, and it will all be uppercase. And we want to make things, to make it clean, to make it a proper case, and to make proper case cities and states. And so what we'll do is when you get your list, your FAA list from us, you'll simply click here in the upper left-hand corner where it says, let's go to A1. A1 right here in the upper corner, and when you click that, everything will turn blue or bluish. At that point, you can come up here to Edit and click Copy. So now you've copied the complete worksheet. You should also have access to our PlaneLists Data Formatter. And let me go there right now. So here that is. And you can see there are 4 different tabs. There's an instruction tab, which you can go over to remind you how to use it. Of course, I'm going to show you how to use it today, so you don't have to worry about the directions so much. And then there's a tab where you would paste your data, and there is a tab where your formatted data will show up here, and then there's a quality report tab to tell you how many of the records were formatted correctly and are usable. So at this point, if you were to come back here to the beginning, I want to make you aware of one thing. The template link that we give to you is just that. It's a template, and it's a view-only version. You'll need to make your own copy to use it. So if you go to File, Make a Copy, you can go ahead and name this copy anything you like, and then store it on your computer wherever you would like. Once you have that copy made, you'll go over to the FAA raw data, and you can place your cursor and click right in cell A1. Then you can go up to Edit and click on Paste, and all the data that we copied over from the raw data is now in this tab. And magically, when you click on the postcard ready, or even the label ready, like the Avery label ready, all the data here has been cleaned up, proper case, first name, last name, street name, city, state, zip, and is ready to be exported into a CSV. So here you would click on File, and then Download, and then the CSV. And if you ever forget, right over here in this green area, this green bar, it says File, Download, CSV. That's how you get the CSV file. And once again, when you click that, you can just store that on your computer anywhere you choose. Now you'll have a nice clean CSV that you can use when you create Avery labels. They have a great online tool that will print out PDFs of whatever label style you want, and then you can merge this data together with that and print any type of labels you want, or use it on the PlaneList postcard creation system. Anyway, that's really all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@planelists.com. And if you don't have access to this PlaneLists Data Formatter template, I will put the link in the description so you'll have access to it. But you should have access to this if you're getting PlaneList data from us. We'll make sure you have it. Anyway, that's all. Short video. Hope it was helpful. Take care.